Your Apple ID might be secure, but if your trusted phone number for two-factor authentication is outdated, you could get locked out. Most users don't know how to update it on a Mac Mini. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Apple ID 2FA number on a Mac Mini, M1, M2, M4, etc. Let's do it right now. So first, open up the Settings app. Then click on your Apple ID. Now click on Sign In and Security. After that, click on the two-factor authentication. Now here, you need to click on the plus icon under the trusted phone number. Enter your phone number and then click Continue. Next, enter the Mac login password. Click Allow. Now Apple will send you a 6-digit verification code. Enter the code here, and that's it. This is how you can change your Apple ID two-factor authentication number on your Mac Mini. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.